Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Michelle Rodriguez and yung topic po na napili ko is measure of position for ungrouped data, quartile, decile, and percentile. So first is our objectives. Illustrate the following measure of position, quartile, decile, and percentile. The next, calculate specified measure of position, 90th percentile of set of data. So, what is quartile? The quartiles are the score points which divide a distribution into 4 equal parts. Yung quartiles daw is divided siya sa 4. 25% of the data has value less than quartile 1. 50% of data has value less than quartile 2. And last, 75% of the data has value less than quartile 3. So, what is quartile 1, quartile 2, and quartile 3? Quartile 1 is called the lower quartile. Quartile 2 is nothing but the median. And quartile 3 is the upper quartile. So, aalamin natin kung paano nga ba nakukuha ang quartile 1. Mendenhall and Syntyk method, a method of finding the quartile value. And yung number 1 is calculate the position of the lower quartile. Lower quartile or yung L is equal to position of quartile 1. Then, ita-times mo siya sa 1/4, close open parenthesis, and plus 1. And if L falls halfway between two integers, round up. The L element is the lower quartile value. And yung number 2 is calculate the position of the lower quartile. Upper quartile or yung U is position of quartile 3. Then, ita-times mo naman siya sa 3/4, close open parenthesis, and plus 1. If U falls halfway between two integers, round down. The U element is the upper quartile value. Then, ito na yung example ng dataset niya. 1, 3, 7, 7, 16, 21, 27, 30, 31. To find quartile 1, locate its position using the formula 1/4. Close open parenthesis and plus 1. And round up to the nearest integer. Tapos, ito na yung pinaka-example niya. Ito. Position of quartile 1 is equal to 1/4, close open parenthesis, and plus 1. Then, kakopy mo lang ulit yung 1/4. Ito. Ayan, 1/4. Tapos, yung n natin is equal to 9. Bakit 9? Kasi, bibilangan mo yan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yung 9, ayun yung n natin. Tapos, plus 1. Plus 1. Kaya, ang sagot is 2.5. 2.5, i-round up natin. Kaya, ang sagot is 3. Magtataka kayo kung bakit naging 2.5. Para makuha yan, 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. Tapos, di ba 10 na yung sagot dito? Ita-times mo siya sa 1. Itong sa 1/4 natin, ita-times mo muna siya sa 1. Then, i-divide mo na siya sa 4. Ayun na yung sagot, yung 2.5. Then, i-round up, tas nakuha yung sagot na 3. The lower quartile value, quartile 1, is the third data element. So, quartile 1 is equal to 7. Ma'am, bakit naging 7? Kasi yung number 7, siya yung pang third element netong data set natin. Ito, 1, 3, 7. Kaya ito yung nakuha nating sagot yun. And pumunta naman tayo sa quartile 3. Quartile 3, locate its position using the formula. Sa 3/4 naman natin siya ita-times. 3/4, close open parenthesis, and plus 1. Then, close open parenthesis ulit. And round up the nearest integer. Ito yung example ulit ng dataset natin. 1, 3, 7, 7, 16, 21, 27, 30, 31. And yung formula is position of quartile 3 kasi nga ayun yung hinahanap natin. Then, is equal to 3/4. Close open parenthesis and plus 1. Then, yun nga ulit, kakopy mo lang ulit yung 3/4 and plus 1. Yung n natin is 9. O, bakit ulit naging 9? Ito, 9 yan, yung data set natin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Kaya, 9 plus 1. Yung 1 na yan, automatic na talaga yan, na plus 1 na yan. Then, 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. Times 3, divide 4. Kaya, ang sagot is 7.5. Then, ira-round down natin. Kaya, ang sagot is 7. The upper quartile value, quartile 3, is the 7th data element. So, quartile 3 is 27. Ma'am, paano naging 27 yan? 27 ang sagot sa quartile 3 kasi yung pang 7th data element natin is 27. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Kaya ayan yung sagot, yung 27. Madali lang. And lipat naman tayo sa linear interpolation. A method of finding the quartile value is step A1, arrange the score in ascending order. Step A2, locate the position of the score in the distribution. Position of quartile 1 is equal to 1/4 and plus 1. Step A3 is the result is a decimal number, proceed for the interpolation. Then next is step B1. Find the difference between the two values wherein quartile 1 is situated. Step B2, multiply the result in step B1 by the decimal part obtained in step A2. Then step B3, add the result in step B2 to the second smaller number in step B1. So, meron ulit tayo ditong example. Find the first quartile 1 and the third quartile. Given the score of 9 students in their mathematics activity using linear interpolation. 1, 27, 16, 7, 31, 7, 30, 3, 21. Step A1, arrange the score in ascending order. So, i-arrange natin yung pinakamaliit sa pinakamalaki. 1, 3, 7, 7, 16, 21, 27, and 31. Then, next, proceed tayo sa step 2, step A2. Locate the position of the score in the distribution. So, hahanapin muna natin yung quartile 1 kasi nga ayun yung pinaka-given natin. Position of quartile 1 is equal to 1/4 and plus 1. And copy mo lang ulit yung 1/4. Yung n natin is 9 kasi nga 9 yan, 9 yung given. And add mo lang ulit ng 1. And copy mo lang ulit yung 1/4 and plus 1. And lalagay mo na yung sagot na 2.5. Kaya naging 2.5 kasi 9 plus 1 is equal to 10 times 1 and divide 4. Kaya nakuha yung sagot na 2.5. So, next, yung A3 natin. Since the result is a decimal number, proceed to linear interpolation. Kasi nga, yung nakuha nating sagot is yung 2.5 may decimal. Then, next, yung step B1, find the difference between the two values wherein quartile 1 is situated. Saan natin mahahanap yung 2.5? Sa gitna ni 3 tsaka 7. So, quartile 1 is between the value 3 and 7 therefore. And is equal to, i-minus lang natin yung 7 tsaka 3. Then, yung sagot is 4. Then, next, punta tayo sa step B2. Multiply the result in step B1 by the decimal part obtained in step A2. Ito, yung is equal to 4. Ito nga yung sagot natin dito sa 7 minus 3, yung 4. Then, close open parenthesis, 0.5. Automatic na yun. Then, yung sagot doon is 2. Then, next tayo sa step B3. And the result in B2 to the second smaller wherein step B1. 2 plus 3. Ma'am, saan nakuha yung 3? Bakit nagkaroon ng 3 dyan? Yung 3 na yan, eto, dito natin nakuha. Kasi ano nga ba yung pinakamaliit dito sa 3 tsaka 7? Syempre yung 3, kaya ikakopy natin yung 3. Then, 2 plus 3, yun to naman dito, nakuha natin sa step B2. Kasi ayun yung sabi sa step B3, kukunin yung sagot dun sa step B2. Kaya kinuha natin yung 2. Then, yung 3 nga dito, yung pinakamababa dito sa 3 and 7. 3 yung kinuha natin. Then, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Then, next tayo, dito tayo sa quartile 3 naman. Quartile 3 naman yung hinahanap natin. Step A1, arrange the score in ascending order. Ganun ulit. I-arrange lang natin. Maliit, papalaki. Ayan, na-arrange na natin. Step A2, locate the position of the score in the distribution. Position of quartile 3 is equal to 3/4 and plus 1. Then, copy mo lang uli yung 3/4, yung n. Yung n natin is yung 9, yung katulad nga nung sinabi ko kanina. 9 plus 1 is equal to 10 times 3 divide 4. And yung sagot is 7.5. Then, next step, step A2. Tama. Step A3 na pala. Score the result is the decimal number, proceed to the linear interpolation. Step B1, find the difference between the two integers wherein quartile 1 is situated. 1, 3, 7, 7, 16, 21, 27, 30, and 31. Quartile 3 is the between the value 27 and 30. Therefore, 30 minus 27 is equal to 3. Yung kaya naging minus natin yung 30 tsaka yung 27, ma'am, paano nakuha yan? Kasi ayun po yung gitna ng 7.5. Kaya nakuha natin yung sagot na 3 sa 30 minus 27. Then next, yung step B2. Multiply the result step B1 by the decimal point part. Obtain step A2. Yan is equal to 3, close open parenthesis, 0.5, then close open parenthesis, then yung sagot is 1.5. Then step B3, add the result step B2, yung sagot nga dito sa step B2, to the second smaller number in step B1. 1.5 plus 27. Ma'am, saan nakuha yung 27? Dito yan, sa pinaka-smaller nga daw ng B1. Yan, B1. Ito yung pinaka-small. Silang dalawa lang. Kaya 27. 1.5 plus 27. Ang sagot is 28.5.